We're at 3359 Unit A. This is in Greenbriar in Gulf Breeze. We are entering into the living room here. You can see we have nice high ceilings, tile flooring throughout, so easy cleanup. Walking back into the unit, we'll come to our kitchen. We do have a nice sized pantry, dishwasher, stove, and refrigerator. And here's the front of that living room again. We do have a coat closet behind the main door. There's our kitchen again, and here is our dining room. And in our dining room, we do have our washer dryer units, and access to our backyard. Heading back towards the front of the unit, we'll take a turn down this hallway here. You can see our guest bathroom here. Perfect for kids or guests. And then if we go to the back bedroom, this is our master. This is the one with the attached bathroom and a walk-in closet. So here is that bathroom. And we'll show you the closet here. Lots of good storage space in here. Again, tile throughout, so perfect for cleaning. Now we're gonna walk past our full bathroom in the hallway and we'll come to our front bedroom. This one again has a walk-in closet. This is facing the front of the unit. So here is that bedroom. And we'll show you that closet as well. Heading back out, we'll go into the backyard. So we're going through our short hallway here, back through our kitchen, passing our washer and dryer units. And here's our fenced-in backyard. We do have a covered patio, so perfect for cookouts or just hanging out. And here's the back of the unit. Heading back inside. Again, this is 3359 Unit A, Greenbriar Circle, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.